Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally got in my Apple Watch today and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like and do an unboxing at the same time. So this is it. Well, the box anyway. So I'm just gonna open it and yeah, so there's a little pull tab right there if you guys can see that. So I'm just going to pull that. I swear, pull tabs make everything so much easier. So, this is it. So, this is it. It's white. You probably can't see that. So this is the one I got. Sorry. Trying to lower my brightness a little. There you go. Now you can see it. So I got the 38 millimeter because the 42 millimeter was I knew it was gonna be way too big for my wrist. Like my wrists are very, very small, as you guys can see. So let's just get this baby opened. And I got the Pink Sands, the rose gold one. And people say that there's not a rose gold, but there is. So, and sorry if you guys hear banging. We have guys painting our house. That is so satisfying. That's probably the most satisfying thing ever. So here's the box. Let me back up a little so you guys can see the full effect. I know that was anticlimactic, but here's the paper, designed by Apple in California, because I think that's where Apple, like a lot of the Apple stores are. So, so here's the watch. I'm not gonna drop it. I got the, as you know, the Pink Sands one. Ooh, wow. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. And I normally wear a lot of my things on my right hand because I'm left-handed. So I'll probably just wear this on my right wrist, obviously. So let's take the plastic thing off. If I know how to do that, that'd be great. Well, let me show you what else comes in the box. You guys are probably interested. So basically, you get your wall plug-in, and then you get your wireless charger. So that's what that looks like. So nothing too crazy. Now let's get to taking this plastic part off. There we go. So there's that. That came off really easily. So that's what it looks like. We're going to take off the plastic part right there. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to turn it on. Ooh, it's booting up. And I do have the Apple the app that comes with my phone. So we're just going to pair it. So there's the app. We're just going to wait until that pairs or opens up. Finishes booting, basically. And it has a really nice weight to it, too. So I really like that as well. And I got the aluminum one just because I felt like the ceramic, I didn't really know the difference between the ceramic and the aluminum. So, yeah. And I really like the feel of the band. Like this part. Okay, so it says Oh, so I just have to, if you guys can see that, bring it. Ooh. Is it doing anything? Do I say start pairing? Ooh. So now I'm just gonna bring it up to my camera. Ooh, that's cool. That's awesome. So I just put it near my phone's camera. And it says your Apple Watch is paired. And now it's saying, I'm gonna wear it on my right. Digital crown orientation. I'll probably put it on my, I don't know. Let's just say left. Okay, and now we have to agree to the terms, like anybody reads the terms. Agree, and now it's going to I'm going to enter my password. Okay. I cannot wait to wear this tomorrow. So that's just going to take a second to load. So let me show you what's inside here. I do believe they give you an extra, like a longer wristband. They give you like instructions. So here's the longer wrist strap, which I probably won't be needing, so I'll just keep that in the box just in case. All right. Now it says workout route tracking, so I'm going to enable that. And now shared settings, I'm going to enable that. Do I want to enter a password? No, I'm not going to enter a password code. Activity, set up activity. So I'm going to play around with this. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my brand new Apple Watch. I'm very excited to finally own one of these and finally able to get one, because I've seen people having Apple Watches and I've always wanted one, so now I have one and I'm super excited. And yeah, so please smash that like button and please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Bye.